Hi students, welcome back to a very short video on importing and exporting between Microsoft Excel and Access. If I go and have a look at the exam scope, we have two things we want to do. We want to import an Access table into Excel, and we want to import actually an Excel table into an Access database as a table. I'm going to start with Access. We go to external data, we choose on here Excel, and we have to go and find our Excel file. Mine happens to be on my desktop. And I will choose my Excel folder. I click on import the source data into a new table in the current database, and it's going to show me all of my spreadsheets, and I have to choose which is the correct spreadsheet, and I'm going to choose summary in this case because it is nice and simple. I click next, and I must tell it the first row contains column headings. In this case it doesn't like that one. I'm going to go back. Let's have a look at payroll. See if that works. I choose next. I choose next. I let Access choose a primary key, and I give it a name which we will call new table, and I choose finish. You do not need to save the import steps. You just close that, and there is my new table with my information imported from Excel. Now please be aware that when you're doing the import-export steps, your database must be closed or your Excel must be closed depending on which direction you are going. I am now going to go open my Excel document and import from Access. So what I simply do is I go to Data, from Access. It's my first button. It's going to ask me where is it. I need to go and locate that Excel. I need to make sure that Access is closed. Access is closed. It's on my desktop. I need to go and find it. And I choose my database, and it's going to ask me which of those tables in the database would I like to import to Excel. I'm going to choose the overview table. I tell it OK, import it as a table, and I choose in a new worksheet, so it's going to give me a new worksheet with this table in it. I tell it OK, and there we go. It has imported all of my data. The way you know you've done it correctly is you click on the down arrow and you will find your filters there. Students, I wish you good luck with your exam. Please go back to the videos. Please work through your scope of Excel and Access. So if we look at the criteria and the scope for the final exam, which is 65 marks, it has an Excel section and it has a Access Excel section which we call integration. So it's simply mainly Excel with an import and an export between Excel and Access. I thank you for attending this course this year, and I wish you the best of luck with your exams, and I hope everybody gets distinctions. Thank you for watching this video.